Guys, this is why we save our spare metal. I don't want to say scrap metal because it's not. It's very handy to keep around. This is the inside part of the caliper on my Sonorai. This inside caliper is missing, so the other one luckily was on, so I can take and make another one out of this one right here, using this one as a pattern. They no longer make these brakes, or I would just order it. So it was either make it out of this big chunk of 6061 T6, or I also looked through here and found this block, this big long bar, and guess what? It's exactly the right width and exactly the right height. Sure saves a lot of time cutting it out of this or using this.